This is Meerkat In with freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst host of the GrokStar Trading Room and maybe your future mentor. Let's take a look at a trade that we had in the GrokStar Trading Room this morning, and it was on ONCE, Spark Therapeutics. It had popped up 65% here at opening, and then what did it do? It did a symmetrical triangle here, and it broke down. Well, we missed that, but then it was doing a descending triangle here, which is also a bearish pattern. So if you want to know more about that, just go to our site, Free Online Trading Education. Go to Chart School. It's free. Just snap on that. And then this is a bearish formation. So we go here to the chart patterns and look here under descending triangle right there. We just click on it, and here's a picture of it where it has a line of support here. It happened to be an even dollar amount in this case, and it's getting smaller and smaller as it comes down. Written description of it. Hey, you can even print it off here if you want to study it. And here's a couple of real-life examples. Descending triangle, how they broke down. Here's another one. Here's one from a day trade that I showed a couple months ago. So let's take a look at this one. So it's descending here. Going to set a trade right down here. Let's see, where should we put it? Right down in here. If it breaks down below this $61 support area, I want to be short. Let's see what happened next, and bam, there it is. It broke down here and got me in at $60.70. I am now short on ONCE. And then bam, bam, look at that. It just crashed down here to $59.50. Bam, down to $59 even dollar amount. And then look at that. This is huge drops here, folks. And look at the volume. Nicely done. So now it's sitting down here a little ways, and it's starting to come back up. So I'm bringing my stop down here in just above the $60 mark here. That can act as resistance. It's in the money, a risk-free trade. And then bam, back down to $58.50. And bam, here we go, dropping down here, dropping down. And now it's around the $58 amount here, and it was bouncing around. So I went ahead and I decided, as it popped back up here, I would take out half, and I did. I took out half here at 58.02 for 3.4% on the first half, and then it proceeded to do what? Kabam! Drop right down there. So let's bring this up here so we can follow it. And that's all right. Okay, I locked in some profit, and then we're going to keep our moving our stops down here. Bam, bam, bam. In fact, I'm going to follow this 8 EMA here now. This 8 EMA, that little tiny red line there on this 1 minute chart. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, look at that. It's down to $55. Just crashed $55. Bam! Now it's really getting overextended here. Bring in my stop down here to right by this 8 EMA here. And boom, there it goes. It popped up and got me out. Broke the 8 EMA at 55.80 for 8% on the second half. So let's take a look at this whole trade here, folks. We're taking a look here now. Descending triangle, broke below a major line of support, which happened to be $61 in this case. Bam, it just settled out for a little while. Bam, I took out half, came down, and as soon as it broke up above this 8 EMA, and you see, look, it had not been above it. It pierced it, but didn't close above it, and now boom, got me out for a total trade of 5.7% in 23 minutes. Hoo-ah. Well, you know, this is some of the trades that we're doing in the GrokStar room. This was the best trade of the day, but we had a phenomenal day today. We were 7 out of 8 called trades today in the GrokStar room for 10.75% net on all of our trades. That meets our target of 10% per day. Now, that's not portfolio return. That's just a cumulative return of all of our trades. If you'd like to trade with us, you can. 30 days for free. Just go to groktrade.com, groktrade.com, and right up here it says GrokStar Chat Room. Just click on that. You go right to the GrokStar page, and this will be a description of it here. 30 days for free, folks, and here's what you get. We're going to work together to find those stocks that are moving in the morning. Going to give you audible calls and where my stops are and where my exits are throughout the morning. And you take a look here at this guy's quote. That's interesting. And here's some more. You can read about it. And right here, hit order now. 30 days for free. Cancel at any time. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that as a trader, one must focus always on doing what is right, as opposed to always being right. Trade well.